This is how you can create a dollar account for free, and in addition to this you also get a euro account as well as pounds account in order to also receive international payments. And this is absolutely free because I'm going to show you the best app to also use to create a dollar account, which you can use for any type of transaction without paying anything. This video on how to create a dollar account for free is step by step, so make sure you also watch every step in order to also create your dollar account successfully, to start using your dollar account right here in Ghana, Nigeria, or any other country, because this app works in many countries. I'm Emmanuel and I share videos about how to make money online, and if you're interested in this topic, subscribe. Let's go. The app we are using today is called Gray. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Gray. Now here is the app and the logo right here. As you can see, simply download this app to your phone, and after it's done downloading, here is how to also create your free USA bank account. Open into the app after it's downloaded, and here click on get started. This will bring you to the next page where if you live in an eligible country, it will be automatically selected. Click on continue, and you'll see that they will ask you to verify this with your Ghana card or any ID that you have in your country, so be aware of that. Click on next, and you can also get started by signing in with your email or sign in manually down here with this email right here. Now you'll be asked to add your basic details after your email is successfully used to also sign in, so make sure you'll be aware of that. Now after your signing is done, you'll be asked to add your basic details, as I said, your name, and make sure this is done according to what is on the ID that you are also going to use to verify. So here, these are sensitive data, that is why I've blurred it, but basically everything that you also expect: your first name, your last name on the ID, your gender, as well as your phone number that you also use, and your email address will be automatically entered here. If it's not entered, all you simply need to do is to enter your email down here, and also referral code. Make sure you check the comment section as well as the link in the description to also download this app using the link in the description. The referral code is on the screen right now, so make sure you enter the referral code, which I've put on the screen right now. When you reach where it says referral code, click on continue. On the next page, you'll be asked what you want to use Gray for, so all you simply need to do is to select the things that you want to use Gray for based on your interest. And the next page too, you will be asked to consent to this. If you agree, consent to this, and you'll be asked to create your pin. So I'm going to blur this part too because this is sensitive data, as you know. I'll also enter the pin again and click on continue, and you can see welcome to Gray. Now here is my account successfully created, but that is not all. The next thing that you need to do is to verify your account with your ID, as it also say. So click on start verification, and here click on account verification. First, you need to verify your identity, so that is where you use your ID card that you also have in your country, the accepted one, to also verify it. So click on it, and you can start with the KYC verification. To unlock these features, click begin KYC, and here to blur it out because these are sensitive data. They will basically ask you for your home address, your state right here, your city, as well as some details that they also need, like your proof of address, type your date of birth right here, and all you need to do is to click on continue after entering these details. Here you'll be asked to answer this question: are you politically exposed person? You can see the next one is, are you associated with any political party? The next page is where you begin your identity verification, so you can also read the instructions right here. Before you make any transaction, you are required to also make your identity verification. Click on begin identity verification, and it will bring you here. Now click on get started right here, and after you click on it, you will see I'm ready. Here, complete your verification in 2 quick steps: your ID as well as a selfie check to also match with the ID right here. Click on continue, select your document that you want to use. Here I'm using Ghana card. Capture the front of your Ghana card right here, or any document that you are also using. After capturing the front, you'll be asked to capture the back of your ID too right here, as I'm also doing. And after you capture both the front and backs, you will be asked to also click on use photo, click on continue down here, and after I click on this, you can simply move on to the next step right here, that is the selfie, to also match it with your ID to find out whether the ID belongs to you or not. So click on I am ready right here, click on allow to use camera, and this will bring you to the next page right here where you'll be asked to also do the selfie verification. So make sure you follow the instructions that appears on the screen. So frame your face in the oval right here. They will ask you to move away sometimes they will ask you to bring the camera closer right here. Sometimes too they will ask you that the lighting is not good, so make sure you will be in a condition or at some place where the lighting is good so that your face will appear well in the oval. So this won't take long right here. After this is done, a message will appear like uploading encrypted face 3D facial scan right here, and it will also bring you to a page verification request submitted right here, and this will also take you back to your Gray account, and your account will be under review. So all you need to do is to wait for some couple of hours so that they can also verify both your identity as well as your proof of address. The first one that we did is the proof of address, and the second one is the identity verification. So sometimes your account will be verified on the first try right here, just like mine did. You can see we are sorry, so you can simply try again, or you can simply contact customer service if the verification is taking too long. After the second try, my account was successfully verified right here. This means that I can get my foreign account and also use them. So it's simple to also get foreign accounts. You can see the account that you can get: Euro account, you can get pounds account, as well as US account. You can see right here, this is the US account. Click on get account details, and you can see confirm your name. Click on yes, it is correct right here, and it will simply take you into the next step where you will be asked to update your information. So the first thing is work information. Click on it and choose whether you are a full-time employee or a freelancer. So I prefer to choose a freelancer right here. And the next thing is to also choose your occupation right here. So make sure you select the occupation that also fits you down in this category. So after you also select your occupation, sometimes you won't find your occupation here. All you simply need to do is to select any occupation that is similar to yours. Select the platform that you also freelance on. It can be any of the platforms right here. Don't think about it too much, so make sure you select any of the popular ones that you also know of. Now you'll be asked to add your LinkedIn profile right here. If you have a LinkedIn profile, you can add it, or you can create a fresh one to add it. Simply go to Google and search for LinkedIn right here. Now click on the first link and click on sign in with your Gmail, or you can simply click on to sign in manually with your Gmail. Now after you are done with this, it will bring you to a page like this where you'll be asked your location right here. Click on continue. In the next page, you'll be asked for your recent experience. Simply add them right here. You can add what you do right here by just searching for them, because there are many things that you can also select right here or search right here. There are many jobs that you can also search right here. Now after you are done with this, you can see company, employer. You can simply search for the company that you work in or the industry that you work in right here. Simply click on next. On the next page, click on the one that you prefer right here, and you can see your profile will be created successfully for you. You can simply choose to add these people or click on continue to skip this. We just need the account or the LinkedIn account link to also use it. Now you can see we are finished with our account setting up right here, and we can simply go ahead and copy the link to our account. Click on your profile, click on share. Back here, you simply paste your link into this box right here and click on submit, and you can see error because with this it copied my username and everything. So make sure you also clear all your username of your account link and click on submit. You can see street address must be at least 4 characters. This means that my address haven't been verified yet, so make sure your address is also verified. After your street address is verified, your USA account will be created for you successfully, so you can start using it to also receive and send payment. Now this same process goes for the euro and also pound account, and it's even simpler than the US because you have already started creating your USA account. You can create the euro as well as the pounds account with just a click of a button, and you get your details so that you can also start using it to receive payment in your gray account. It's just like creating the USA account. All you need to do is to click on the British pound or the euro right here, and it will take you to the page where you see get account details, and your account details will be given to you just that instant. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also comment down below the country that you are watching this video from. Now that you have your dollar account, euro account and pounds account, these are some apps that you can use to also make money that pays you in dollars.